time did you go to bed last night? I said last night.
I went to bed at 10. I went to bed at 10.
And what time did you get up this morning? This morning?
I got up at 7. I got up at 7.
Now tell me how you feel. How do you feel?
I'm feeling wide awake, alert and responsive.
So what you gonna do with the rest of your day?
I'm gonna be pleasant to my friends and my neighbors.
So how many hours would you say that you need?
I got to have my 8+. Need my 8+. I need my 8+. Gotta have my 8+.
We need our 8+. Gotta have our 8+. We need our 8+. Gotta have our 8+.
Now let me flip the script and ask you, how much did you sleep? How much did you sleep?
I only got like 5 hours. Only 5 hours.
So tell me how you feel. How do you feel?
Feeling cranky and downright mean.
Were you really busy with a lot on your mind?
I was staying up late watching 2.5 Men.
So tell me, was it worth it? How was it worth it?
Not worth it, Charlie Sheen.
So how many hours would you say you should have had?
Should've had my 8+.
What?
I need my 8+.
Huh?
Should've had my 8+.
Yeah.
I need my 8+.
Oh.
Should've had our 8+. We need our 8+. Should've had our 8+. We need our 8+. So what are some tips we should offer to the public? Offer to the public.
Keep your room quiet and very, very dark.
And what are some things that we should to try to avoid?
Alcohol plus caffeine and the smoking.
What if it's clinical, like insomnia?
Simply consult your physician. You may need prescription drugs.
So tell me, how would our society improve?
People would be patient with no need for Dr. Phil.
So how many hours would you say that we all need?
We need our 8+. Gotta have our 8+. We need our 8+. Gotta have our 8+.
We need our 8+. Gotta have our 8+. We need our 8+. Gotta have our 8+.
Tempur-Pedic!